Okay. Okay. I'll go like this. Look, you're comfortable. Right here. Not yet. Put it right here. Look at this. Right here.
Right here?
Yeah. Talk really loud.
Hi, Daddy.
Okay, good. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Alright, go to 1,000 now. Alright, that sounds good. Mix it out. Alright, that's good. Okay, we got it. Okay up here. Okay. Alright, master audience on. Check GPS load the flight plan. So we're gonna load the flight plan from here.
Okay.
And the call clearance. Actually, let me listen to the 80s first. 125.975.
Their observation 0935 Zulu. Wind calm. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 24 Celsius. Dew point 21 Celsius. Altimeter 3007. Remarks. Density altitude 1000.
Sanford Tower, hours of operation are 0630 local time to 2300 local time. Class Golf airspace is in effect when the tower is closed. The common traffic advisory frequency is 120.3. Pilot operated approach lighting is available on 120.3. For clearance delivery, contact Orlando approach on 121.35. For additional information, contact Orlando approach on 124.8.
Departure frequency will be 124.8, block 0757, hold for release.
Airplane at 9 left this morning, will hold for release. Its radar vectors to Worms as filed, 2,370 through 10, 124.80757, Allegiant 2262.
Allegiant 2262, read back's correct, advise when you're number 1 ready to depart.
Will do.
Good there, clearance. Cardinal 2056 Quebec, ready for my IFR clearance, please.
Number 2056 Quebec, Orlando approach. Good morning, you are cleared to the 24 Juliet Airport via vectors to Ocala, then as filed. I would maintain 2,000, expect 4,000, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency will be 124.8. Squawk 4270, hold for release.
Clear to 24 Juliet via Ocala. And then as filed, we'll expect 2,000, we'll expect 4,010 minutes thereafter. Departure frequency is 124.8, squawk 4270. We'll hold for release. Cardinal 2056 Quebec.
Number 56 Quebec, read back correct, advise when you're ready to depart.
Will do, 2056 Quebec.
Frontier 678, contact tower 124.3, take care.
Yeah. You can hear me, Noah?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, okay, good. Then...
Number 729 Mike November, descend and maintain 3,000.
Okay. Alright, go to the run-up now over there. Everything is actually set, ADM set. We got a few remaining. It looks over there. Taxi, check ATIS, we did already. Got the weather, AWAS, that's altimeter for the runway. We're using 9er today. So we're gonna use 9er today, track. 090. Got it already here. Okay, we're gonna do 2,000 initially. And then 4,010 minutes after our clearance, called ground control available. Check taxi. Alright, so we're gonna put the land lights on, we'll put one on, and then we'll put the strobes on. Since you're moving. Parking brakes off. They're gonna move very slowly. And then you're gonna taxi. When you're taxiing, you just use your foot to move the plane left and right.
Okay.
The section, you look left, make sure no one is coming, and look right, and turn right.
Our clearance leads in 2284 to Toledo.
Legion 2284, Orlando approach, clear to the Toledo Airport via vectors to Brute, and is filed. Maintain 2000. Expect flight level 36010 minutes after departure. Departure frequency will be 124.8. Walk 2650 and hold for release.
Stay right here, okay?
Radar vectors Brute as filed. 2000, 360 and 10, 124.8, 2650. Hold for release. Release in 2284.
just jumped on the runway now. And direct to Ocala. So smooth now.
You sorry?
It's so smooth?
Yes.
Okay. OCF is right. Time for traffic, Cardinal 2056 Quebec, turning to a northwest heading. Northwest. Time for traffic. Time for traffic, Cardinal 2056 Quebec, last call 320 heading. Time for traffic. Good, the approach, Cardinal 2056 Quebec, 308 heading, 1,500, going to 2,000.
Your 56 Quebec, your radar contact a mile north of Sanford, call maintain 4,000. You're leaving 2,000, is that right?
That is correct, just approaching 2,000.
56 Quebec, are you going direct to Ocala, is that what you're doing?
Yeah, it's good at Ocala.
Hey, thanks. Subair 1341, clear direct Jacksonville.
Clear direct Jacksonville, Subair 1341.
Allegiant 2112, land approach on request, stand by. Allegiant 2262, runway 9 left, your release for departure. After departure, fly runway heading, maintain 2,000, and your release is void in 5 minutes. If you're not off in 5 minutes, report this frequency within 10 minutes.
Delta 2535, 200.6, 5,000 via the check.
Delta 2535, land of departure, good morning, radar contact, climb and maintain 16,000.
16,000, Delta 2535.
Rusty.
Delta 2535, lighting 270.
270, Delta 2535.
Going to 4,000 feet.
Agent 2349, you clear to the Hagerstown Airport via vectors to Worms as filed. Maintain 2,000. Expect flight level 39010 minutes after departure. Departure frequency will be 124.8. Squawk 2656 and hold for release.
Departure Allegiant 2212, good morning, passing 600, climbing 2000, runway heading.
Allegiant 2339, I heard it all except for the altitude. Just verify 2000 on departure.
2000 for Allegiant 2262.
Allegiant 2262, line of departure, ident, call and maintain 5000.
5000, Allegiant 2262.
Delta 2535, turn right heading 350.
350, Delta 2535.
Allegiant 2262 is radar contact. Turn left heading 360.
Left heading 360, Allegiant 2262.
Subair 1341, contact, Daytona approach on 125.8.
125.8, Subair 1341.
And
Allegiant 2112, you're clear to the San Antonio airport via vectors Patoy, Q116 to Georgia, Cablo, Defun, as filed, maintain 2000, expect flight level 28010 minutes after departure. Departure frequency will be 124.8, squawk 2631, hold for release.
11 off now, so we're going to stay at this level.
Allegiant 2112, reback's correct. The squawk is 2631 and hold for release. Advise when you're number one ready to depart. Allegiant 2262, come and maintain 11000.
1000, Allegiant 2262.
Delta 2535, contact Jacksonville Center 135.45.
3545, good morning, full C now.
Allegiant 2262, maintain 1000 on the 360 heading. Contact Daytona approach on 125.8.
25.8 and maintain 11,000 and this heading Allegiant 2262.
Subair 1349, contact Daytona approach 125.8.
5.8, Subair 1349.
Go to 10.
Allegiant calling for Tulsa. I'll get right back to you. Stand by.
Okay. Having fun?
Yes, I'm having fun.
Three. Ground speed 127. The camera's back down if it's taking a good shots or not. I might as well I'll leave it up there. so we're not sure what we're doing yet. The weather at Swanee, still calm. Oh yeah, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's off. Strobes is still on. No, the strobes on.
Allegiant 2325, roger your turn request. Is Allegiant 2218 at Tulsa still on frequency? Okay, got the flight plan. Allegiant 2218, clear to Tulsa via direct Patoy Q116, Victor, Uniform Zulu, and that's filed. After departure, maintain 2000, expect follow 30010 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 124.8, squawk 1014, hold for release. In 2218, thanks for your back correct. In Legion 2325, clear to Springfield via direct Patoy, Q116, Georgia, Mike, Golf Mike, and that's filed. After departure, maintain 2000. Expect follow 36010 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 124.8.
The sun rising over there.
Squawk 0735, hold for release.
It's kind of already.
Leon 2325 at Patoy, the Q Airways Q116, Q116.
I have traffic up there.
2325, thank you, Rebecca, correct. November 2056, Quebec, contact Jacksonville, approach on 118.6, have a good day.
18.6, thanks for the help, have a good day. 2056 Quebec. Good day, Jack's approach, Cardinal 2056 Quebec, 4000.
Cardinal 2056 Quebec, Jack's approach, good morning, Jack's altimeter 3006.
3006, 2056 Quebec. Traffic mode. So it's in GPS mode. So you're gonna set for the approach. Let me go see what's the weather over there. The weather in Swanee City. Scrap pad. All that stuff you don't need anymore. Alright. Everything is good. Okay, make sure everything is plugged in. Alright. In GPS mode, centered, heading 300. Right over the water over here. Can't see the map over here. VFR. Okay, they won't give me nothing. What's the regular map they're gonna give us? Oh wow, okay. We have a headwind. Let me see as a headwind. Close. Alright, extra Swanee is right here. 118.225. on 8.55. That's the weather over there. Can't get weather yet. Wow. Temperature, and I have to watch my temperature here. Can't make it 380. 296 is good. 324 is good. I mean, the engine is being cooled. The oil temperature is 174. That's perfect. I mean, it's nice and cool outside. Then you have the battery is 13.8. Outside temperature is 7 degrees. So it's 70 degrees outside. I got 34.4 gallons of fuel remaining. Put in 9.8. Nice, I want to keep it under.
Medevac 60 Tango Lima Jax departure, good morning, radar contact, climb and maintain 15,000, clear direct RNA.
Alright. So right now we're on, okay, got the weather already set up. Let's put in the 18 point. ETAF 122.8. So listen to that. Listen to that. Okay. So far, nothing is coming through. Alright, then what we're going to do now, we're going to set up for the approach. We'll do, well, the weather said it was calm, so I'll do 25. So there's a procedure. Select approach, enter, on nav 25. We're gonna load it.
February 1341 Jax approach, good morning, expect visual approach runway 8.
I gotta make sure this is 4,000 feet. And then this gotta be straight.
Okay.
Then I'm going to Ocala VOR, which is over here. Can't see it over here. Right here, going right here. Right here.
Okay.
And then after you go, I'll get the map off of you. Actually, let me get the map so you can see it better. It's better over here. So you're going over here. From here, we're going up that way. So right now, I want to burn on the 10 gallons per hour. This should show me like
February 1341, third Drake Dim, descend to maintain 3,000.
Fuel flow per gallons per hour. I'm not sure if I should believe this one or the monitor. So let's look at the monitor. Oh, all temperatures going down, 171. Nice and cool.
Medevac 60 Tango Lima, contact Jax Center 133.7.
Wi-Fi.
Good morning. November 2056 Quebec, clear direct 24J.
Clear direct 24 Juliet, 2056 Quebec, thank you. Recording. Oh, it's recording right now. I think a connection. Oh look, look at Daddy. Look at Daddy and Noah. Wow, say hi. That is so cool. Oh wow, we're gonna see. Look. I gotta angle it a different way.